Hello. Take a deep, gentle breath in and let it go. Welcome to Three Leaves. I'm Diana. Feel the weight of your body supported by the earth beneath you. Drop your awareness out of your head, down through your body, and into your feet. Let yourself be heavy and let yourself be held. Even when the world around us feels heavy or full of shadows, there's an enduring opportunity waiting for us. In the darkness, we can always choose to look for the light. Today, we're stepping away from doubt and opening our hearts to the quiet promises the universe holds for us. Promises of peace, strength, rest, and love. Not all at once, perhaps, but each in its own perfect time and at its own gentle pace. Our only job right now is to be open, to seek the light, and to trust that it can be ours. Let's begin with the promise of peace. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, notice if you're holding any tension about the world. Soften the muscles around your heart. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Feel the physical space you create in your chest when you stop trying to hold everything there. Peace doesn't mean the absence of life's noise. Peace is the quiet knowing that there is something much greater than us at work. The world has been turning for a very long time. It knows how to carry itself. And it knows how to carry you. Even when a moment feels overwhelming, or when it doesn't feel like it in the midst of a storm, you will be okay. Trust the turning of the earth. Trust that harmony is always working its way back to you. Now let your awareness shift to strength. True strength is a quiet alignment. Feel your spine grow just a little taller, rooted yet flexible like a tree in the wind. Rest your hands open on your lap, palms facing up. A signal to your body that it's safe to receive help and to be supported. True strength is not a loud or forceful thing. It's built from the smallest, quietest choices. It's the way you put one foot in front of the other, even when the path feels hard. It's the way you anchor your spirit with trust in the middle of chaos. We often think strength is about giving to others, but true resilience is found in the way you allow yourself to receive help when it's offered. You don't have to carry the weight alone. You're being equipped for the hard things moment by moment. And with that strength, allow yourself to enter the beautiful sacred space of rest. Notice your face right now. Unclench your jaw and let your tongue drop away from the roof of your mouth. Smooth the skin between your eyebrows. Send your breath all the way down into your belly. letting it expand naturally without holding or any restrictions. With every exhale, imagine your muscles softening like melting ice. Rest is beautiful. It's the rest for your tired body, letting it soften and settle. But more than that, it's rest for your mind. Giving yourself permission to have good days and bad days just as they come without judgment. It's the act of surrender, letting go of the need to control people, outcomes, and events that are simply out of your hands. Let your mind take a break. Let the universe manage the details for a while. And finally, let's breathe into the promise of love. Place your hands gently over your heart. Feel the warmth of your own touch and the rise and fall of your chest. You're here. You are breathing. And you are enough. Your very being was created in love. You are love. And while the world around us isn't always loving, you can always choose a path of peace and light for yourself. Nourish it through kindness. Protect it with healthy boundaries. Find it in simple pleasures and the quiet connections you make with the world. And then extend that same compassion outward, remembering that we're all just human beings on a complicated journey, doing the best we can. Allow yourself to be enough exactly as you are today, flaws, mistakes, and all. As we begin to gently bring our awareness back to the room, keep your hand resting on your heart for just a moment longer. Experiencing challenges is part of our journey, but so is joy. You are equipped for whatever lies ahead, and you're worthy of finding pockets of peace wherever they appear. When the world around you feels dark and full of shadows, look for the light. Believe with all your heart that it's there for you, and you will find it. Thank you for sharing this stillness with me today. Take care of your mind, take care of your body. Until next time, be well.